guys, it's Stephanie from Shifts and Giggles. You've either found yourself here because you're interested in using my progress monitoring sheet, or you've already bought it and you're trying to figure out how to create a second or maybe even a third goal for your student with the graph linked. If you have multiple students that you're using this for, I would just create a copy of the whole file and create a new file per student. I wouldn't try to keep them all on one sheet. That's going to be way too much information. So if you have one student and you're looking to add a second or a third goal, like I said, or maybe even a fourth, this is how you can do that, making sure that your graph is linked to the appropriate sheet. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Your downloaded product is already going to have a sheet for your student and a graph that's already linked. So the first thing we want to do is create a new data sheet. So you're going to click duplicate under that arrow and then rename whatever you would like it to be. It can be your student's name and goal number 2. You can name them after each goal, whatever you want. I'm just going to put this for goal number 2. I like to have my data sheet and my associated graph next to each other, so I'm going to move that to the end. And then you're just going to duplicate the existing graph you have here. So again, I'm going to rename this. I'm just going to say student 1, line graph 2. And then those are right next to each other. Now, this second graph is still going to be linked to the first data sheet, so we have to make sure that it is linked to our appropriate second goal. So we're going to go up here to edit our chart with those 3 dots in the corner, and you're going to click the section that says data range. We just want to delete what's in these 2 boxes here. And with that little box open for data range, you're going to go down and make sure that you hit the sheet for goal number 2. The first box is going to be for column A, so you can just click the A on top and it'll automatically insert it there. And the second box, we want to be our data. So we're going to put it for column G, which is our progress. So now we have our dates of our sessions and our progress. Click OK. We can't see the difference here because the numbers are the same. So let me edit these numbers and we can make sure that our line chart is linked appropriately to our second goal. Let's go over here. And now we can see we have our new data in our second graph. So you can repeat that as many times as you need for as many goals you have for that one student. Be sure to subscribe or leave a comment if you have any more questions.